now we're trying to install the sink. This is like a, I think it's a Moog. Like a Moog sink. You can see it's good. Right? It's like a heavy duty. If you can hear sound. It's got two sinks. It's going to be made by bathroom vanity. But they came with these clips that you're supposed to install here, here, and down here on the sinks so that they don't fall. Because it's a freaking, it's a very heavy sink. So we're gonna install those before we take it to. So the brackets look like this. And I think they go. Where does this thing go? I don't have to read this sometimes. Sometimes and they don't make sense. Oh, there it is. So it goes like this. It basically just goes like that. You see that? Like this. So you put a screw and a washer like that. And then it goes on top of this right there. Like that. That's what this is showing. So step number 1 says touch each of these boreholes in the countertop. Attach sink clips by placing the long end of the bracket flat against the sink lip. Screw the wing bolt to the bracket and bolt holes and tighten. So there's a wing bolt. No matter where the wing bolts are going. Maybe here. I think they might go like this. So these. Very poor instructions. Told you guys, because all this stuff is made in China. So I think it goes like that. Yeah. Let's try it out and see. This goes from the bottom. I just don't see the point of this wing nut. And these are like screws that can screw. What is the point of these wing nuts? That's not it. I am confused. So I figured it out. So I guess the wing nut goes on top of this little bolt. Like that. So all these wing nuts go like that before you screw it on there. I'm going to screw all this, just tighten up. They go the opposite. Don't do it like that, it goes the other way around. So usually this this don't come with this put on already. Usually the consumers or will the installer will put this at the side. But this one came already on. So that's why they send us all this to use. So alright, so I'm gonna use this washer on top there. Don't know if you guys can see. So now I see why we have the ring nut. That's how you tighten it. I probably shouldn't be using that because it's too perfect. Should just use like a normal screwdriver. So I don't mess up stuff. So I should probably use this instead of like the drill. Okay, you know, sometimes it's very difficult to control. There you go, so that one is on. Now if you can see, it goes like that. I'm still gonna use this. Just have to use it. Right, so that side is done. Let's do this other side. Now we're doing this side. And this will go here. So I think it's easier when you put this on here first. So you don't have to worry about the wing nut not tightening up. So like that. This here. So we use this little nut here so that when you put this bolt and you tighten, it doesn't go through the space. I don't think you would because you already have this wing nut anyway, but I think they give you this here for extra precautions, I guess. That's one. Before we move these to the back. this. The brackets are on. Yeah, so we're gonna move this in the bathroom now.